तो जो ब्राइड अपनी वेडिंग की शॉपिंग कर रही है, हाउ कैन शी बाय ज्वेलरी व्हिच कैन बी वोर्न आफ्टर हर वेडिंग एज वेल?
गोल्ड लेते रहो तो लेते रहो तो लेते रहो तो रखते
True.
रहो, बच्चे खाएंगे।
हाँ.
जेन जी को बच्चों को नहीं खिलाना।
I think versatile jewelry has also changed the dynamics for the brides, right?
Yeah, to be worn every day. They will like solitaire, strings, tennis bracelets, diamonds, practicality. तो कहीं ना कहीं तो मार्केट की धजिया ना उड़ जाए।
What do you feel are going to be more in demand? Diamonds or gemstones? And what type of gemstones if gemstones? Versatile jewelry.
Good and new trend.
Is buying from a designer really that expensive?
No.
We will be playing a quick game. So I'm going to give you a word and you have to answer it within 0.1 seconds, whatever comes to your
Oh
thought.
my god.
Welcome back to Jewelry Insider with Shan Chawla. Today we are again with one of the jewelry's expert and a luxury jewelry designer, Chitwan Malhotra from Delano Jewels. She has been not been a generational jeweler, been a very out of the grid designer where catering HNIs, rich ladies, and making these enormous. Just go on their Instagram and find out the designs they have. I was mind boggled to be honest. But how are you doing today?
Very good. Thank you. How are you?
Amazing. I always wanted to know. I mean, this is a personal question. How do you come up with these designs? How do you like think of these?
So every design is like a baby and I create it. And when I create a design तो मुझे लगता है इसके लिए वैसी वाली लड़की बनी है, you know? कई बोल्ड डिजाइन होते हैं,
Yeah.
कई सॉफ्ट होते हैं, कई डेंटी होते हैं, कई लाउड होते हैं।
Yes.
हर डिजाइन के पीछे कोई स्टोरी होती है
Sure.
एंड उसके लिए एक क्लाइंट जरूर मेरे दिमाग में होता है एंड बिलीव यू द सेम काइंड ऑफ वुमन कम्स एंड पिक द डिजाइन
That's amazing.
सो देन इट मैटर्स
So, how many consumers which have bought for you have come to you again?
a lot.
A lot? Major
It's
of
been 18 years and
Wow.
a lot of people are coming. We've become family jewelers to many now. Not
So-
only in India, but UAE. We have clients in America. We are doing worldwide. Very great.
So, one of the things which is very common in the jewelry industry is men running the whole business. Men, generational men being the part of the core. Like if you still see, if you go for a jeweler conference, 99% of them would be men. How did you manage to just come up in between masses of men as a young women entrepreneur since 18 years?
So when I started 18 years back, I think there were hardly any women entrepreneur into jewelry. मेरा ख्याल उस टाइम पे पूनम सोनी जी थी, क्वीनी सिंह just started. I must have been in top 10. I feel that.
Okay, yeah.
Who was, motivated to launch a brand.
Okay.
घर से तो सब थोड़ा थोड़ा कर रहे थे, बट एक ब्रांड बनाने की, एक लेगेसी क्रिएट करने की हिम्मत, I think God gives to very few.
That's true.
Who's the first-born entrepreneur
That's true.
in an industry.
Especially without having any generational,
Especially, yes. So
Yes.
that's the first-born generation
That's
of
amazing.
any industry. वो जो हिम्मत है, I think it's only God's grace and hard work
That's very true.
and years of put down by the people who've been already in industry.
It's true.
Especially एक tag, औरत नहीं कर पाएगी, which was there 18 years back, which is there today. आज थोड़ा शर्म से बोलते हुए कि शायद लोग की वापस सुनने को मिलेगा, But it was a tough phase, but it was good, exciting. I thought एक औरत जो औरत के लिए ज्वेलरी बना सकती है, वो शायद एक आदमी नहीं बना. The emotions
True.
which diamonds hold.
That's true. Men sell these values and emotions of a jewelry, but they can never relate to it like you would.
I feel that.
Going ahead, let's make this more for the consumers for us now. यार मैं ना एक jeweler से बात कर रहा था and she was telling me कि वर्सेटाइल ज्वेलरी काफ़ी चल रही है, वर्सेटाइल ज्वेलरी ब्राइड्स को खरीदना चाहिए, वर्सेटाइल ज्वेलरी नॉट इवन ब्राइड्स बट वुमेन शुड मोर बी ओरिएंटेड टुवर्ड्स वर्सेटाइल ज्वेलरी। पर ये वर्सेटाइल ज्वेलरी होती क्या है?
So ये versatile jewelry is the Gen Z jewelry.
Okay.
It's very practical.
ओके,
Gen Z और हमारी previous generations में ये फर्क है that they want to use everything multi-purpose way. They are more aware of sustainability. They are more aware of stocking up disadvantages. हमारी previous generations में नहीं था। गोल्ड लेते रहो तो लेते रहो तो लेते रहो तो रखते रहो, बच्चे खाएंगे।
हाँ,
जेन जी को बच्चों को नहीं खिलाना। They want to enjoy them.
यस,
So versatile jewelry is where one jewelry piece can be used as many jewelry products.
कैन यू गिव एन एग्जांपल?
एक चोकर है, यहाँ से क्लास खोलो, ब्रेसलेट बना लो।
ओके,
शादी पे जाना है तो चोकर पहन लो, 99% ब्रेसलेट की तरह डालो।
ओके,
2 नेकलेसेस को क्लिप कर दो तो एक बड़ा सेट बन जाएगा।
ओके,
बट अगर आप क्लिप खोल दोगे तो एक लाइट वेट स्ट्रिंग बन जाएगी।
ओह,
एंड ब्रोच पहन लो, ब्रोच का मूड नहीं है तो उसको पेंडेंट की तरह पहन लो।
ओह, वाओ,
So these kind of mechanisms has been really appreciated by them and they like it because it saves their money.
दैट्स ट्रू,
They don't want to store
दैट्स ट्रू,
and it's lightweight,
मोर एफिशिएंट,
more efficient.
या,
So कमाल की generation है, we are evolving according to them
दैट्स ट्रू,
and we are catering whatever they want.
दैट्स ट्रू। आई मीन मेजर ऑफ द इंडिया मासेस कंसिस्ट ऑफ द यंग जनरेशंस,
Yes.
तो एट द एंड इंडस्ट्री बनेगी जैसे हमें चाहिए, टू बी ऑनेस्ट।
Very true.
सो डाइविंग डीप टुवर्ड्स द ब्राइड, जो ब्राइड्स होती है ना, काफ़ी टाइम हेवी ज्वेलरीज ले लेती है, काफ़ी हेवी ज्वेलरीज विच दे कांट वेयर इट अगेन। तो जो ब्राइड अपनी वेडिंग की शॉपिंग कर रही है, हाउ कैन शी बाय ज्वेलरी विच कैन बी वोर्न आफ्टर हर वेडिंग एज वेल?
So आजकल बहुत ट्रेंड आया हुआ है फॉर लेयरिंग। इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम वन सेट। अगर आप एक्चुअली इवैल्यूएट करोगे तो 7 सेट पहने होते हैं एक ब्राइड,
ओह,
बट इट कीप्स ऑन गोइंग टिल हियर।
ओके,
So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and when you open it, they're all separate, which you can wear in 7 different times.
ओके,
So I think which is very good.
सो लेयरिंग इज,
एक वेरिएबिलिटी एस्पेक्ट जो है ब्राइड के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो गई है।
I think versatile jewelry has also changed the dynamics for the brides, right?
Yes, and practicality. And brides know that they will never dress up this heavily again. So पहले नहीं होता था, पहले जो माँ बाप दादा दादी कहते रहते थे वो खरीदते रहते थे, वो पहने नहीं पहने। I think this generation has their say in what they want and they are practical anyways.
Understood. So, seeing the future now towards bride, जो bride to be है in the next 10 years, how do you think their jewelry liking is going to change?
They'll become very practical. They will want dainty stuff. They will want practical. They don't want to get loud.
Yeah.
I have 2 daughters who say, "मम्मा, इतनी loud jewelry किसको बेचते हो? कौन पहनेगा आपकी jewelry?" तो I know ये तो नहीं पहनेंगे। They want to evolve. They want to wear what is practical. They want something to be worn every day. They will like solitaire, strings, tennis bracelets, diamonds, practicality. तो कहीं ना कहीं तो मार्केट की धज्जियां ना उड़ जाए, बट वी एज डिजाइनर्स वी आर इवॉल्विंग। ट्रेडिशनल ज्वेलर्स अपना देखें, वो भारी भारी बेच रहे हैं,
Yes.
गोल्ड लगा रहे हैं, माल लगा रहे हैं, लेबर बढ़ा रहे हैं। वी हैव ऑलरेडी इवॉल्व लाइट वेट ज्वेलरी, प्रैक्टिकलिटी, what is to be worn forever, what is good to pass on. For me, when I started 18 years back, I made a tagline that jewelry is not meant for lockers.
Yes, perfect.
And that was me when I started saying when I was 21 years old. Because मुझे ये realize हुआ कि जितनी भी jewelry मेरी mother के पास है, वो तो पहनती ही नहीं है. What is the point?
So,
Where am I keeping it? Where am I investing? I thought I don't want to invest for my kids. मुझे भी तो enjoy करना है. तो मैं वो बनाऊं जो मैं पहनूंगी और वो लोगों को बताऊं जो वो एंजॉय कर सके एक डिनर में, एक छोटी सी कॉकटेल में, एक अपने बर्थडे पे,
Yes.
you know, they don't want to keep it in bank. So we are evolving. We have a lot of Gen Z crowd. We have a lot of young generations coming to us. We understand their needs.
So I understand the Gen Z brides to be are going to choose quality over quantity in some ways.
Yes, I agree. They would like to have good stuff. They would like to have practical stuff. वो जो Indians spend a lot on their weddings, especially the Punjabi community,
Yes.
the us community.
I'm aware.
Why? Because they like showing off.
Yes.
मैंने पीछे एक study देखी थी which said that Punjabis are the loudest community in the whole world.
I'm aware of it very well.
And I was like, wow, because we like showing off.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong in it.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
That's how our personality is.
I'm a born Punjabi and there's nothing wrong in it. है तो दिखाते हैं, नहीं होगा तो नहीं दिखाएगी. We call those people funny जो होके भी नहीं दिखाते.
That is very true.
And they call us funny.
That
But we spend a lot on weddings.
that's true.
I believe this will change. They would like to wear what they like rather than that dikhawa thing. They want to get practical.
So Gen Z is dressing up for themselves and not for the society.
And they're definitely not buying jewelry for the kids. Like our parents did.
That is very true.
They don't care.
That's very true. That's
You know, they don't care. And half of them think that our kids won't even get married. हम तो आपके pressure में हो रहे. So they don't know.
so damn true. So damn true. Another simple question for the bride to be in 2025. What do you feel are going to be more in demand? Diamonds or gemstones? And what type of gemstones?
Diamonds have been forever there. Diamonds with gemstones.
Okay.
Emeralds. Neeta Ambani ji ने कहा पहुंचा दी emeralds.
That-
Yeah, we've been all wearing it.
Loving those wings. Love it.
But she's created a different impact. I think emeralds जो उन पे लगते हैं किसी पे नहीं लग सकते. So she created the whole trend for emeralds. And I think they would be in. Brides want to wear light color lehenga and stocking color gemstones jewelry. Rubies, obviously, महाराजाओं के टाइम से चल रही है. So sapphires थोड़ा Indian culture में नहीं खुश होके पहनते अभी भी because they have a lot of superstitious things with it.
Okay.
But I think rubies and emeralds will be sparked for the wedding season again.
For this year, is it going to be ruby or emerald?
One of it, if you tell me, I think emeralds. Again, emeralds.
That's amazing.
नीता जी ने अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही पहना था तो
Again.
she keeps giving new
Drops. Yeah.
drops
the
and
emeralds.
goosebumps to the new generation to have
That's
them.
true. That's true. Okay. Let's add a twist to the game now, like the podcast now. We will be playing a quick game. It's called, so I'm going to give you a word and you have to answer it within 0.1 seconds, whatever comes to you.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Controversial तो नहीं है.
No. So,
Of-
first word is solitaire.
Forever.
Lab grown solitaires.
Dumbness.
Emeralds.
Legacy.
Zaveri Bazaar.
The base of India for jewelry.
Bulgari and Cartier.
Luxury.
And let's end it with versatile jewelry.
Good and new trend.
So, Chitwan, one of the things which a lot of my friends tell me कि मैं तो अपनी मम्मी वाले ट्रेडिशनल ज्वेलर फैमिली ज्वेलर के पास ही जाऊंगी डिजाइनर तो बहुत महंगा देते हैं. Is buying from a designer really that expensive?
No. Your question of really that expensive? No. A little expensive, yes.
In comparison, how much would you think? I mean, I would say
See, in comparison, mostly is, you can say 10 to 15%, I agree.
okay.
But we have a different mind game. We are trying to create a story.
Hmm.
You know, हम एक ही नेकलेस को 100 ब्राइड्स को बेच के उनको वही रील में भी दिख रहा है, वही नाचते हुए भी दिख रहा है, वही
और किसी और के शादी में कोई और ब्राइड
कोई
पहन
और
भी दिख
पहन के आ रहा है.
Yes.
We want to create individuality. We want to create a story.
personalized.
We have done personalization for whole bridesmaids family,
Okay.
where all the jewelry has a common thing, where all the bridesmaids are looking same. The bride is standing ahead. So a designer has a very thoughtful impact on what they are creating.
Okay.
क्या क्रिएट करना है, क्या क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, किसके लिए कर रहे हैं और वो आगे उसका कैसे यूज करेगी, ये इन सब चीजों का थॉट्स है हमारे पास,
Okay.
जो एक ट्रेडिशनल जूलर पे नहीं है.
Okay.
सो अ डिफरेंस इज अ ट्रेडिशनल जूलर इज देयर बिकॉज उसके पापा उस गद्दी में बैठे गए एंड अ डिजाइनर जूलर इज देयर बिकॉज हमारा पैशन है. सो हियर वी गो, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस.
That's amazing. So let's move down to a simple case study. A North bride getting married within 10 months is coming to you, and she wants to buy jewelry for her all wedding days. How many pieces of jewelry will she be going for, and what types?
See, usually an average good upper middle class Indian woman would like to buy 4 to 5 sets for their wedding. जिसमें से एक वो पोल्की लेते हैं, जो obviously they usually prefer wearing it in their bridal day, wedding day. एक वो डायमंड का सेट लेते हैं भारी, एक वो डायमंड की स्ट्रिंग ले लेते हैं जो रोज डलेगी, एक वो गोल्ड का सेट ले लेते हैं. These टेम्पल ज्वेलरी इज वेरी इन, एंड एक वो कलर स्टोन्स के साथ ले लेते हैं, whether that's rubies or emeralds
Okay.
or according to their budget semi precious. So mix combine करके वो अपने पूरी वेडिंग ज्वेलरी चूजो बना लेते हैं.
Okay, that's amazing. So, since you are a Delhi jeweler, since I also a designer, what is the most precious piece of gemstone you have seen till now, which your eyes were like shining after seeing that gemstone in your whole career?
So when I went to Hong Kong jewelry show, I saw the biggest of yellow diamonds. Then I saw pink diamonds.
Okay.
और मुझे लगता है ये भी फ्यूचर आने वाला है. People will be bored of white diamonds. People would like to go. आज इंडिया में इतनी समझ नहीं है. People don't want to buy because उनको लगता है लोगों को लगेगा हमने पुखराज पहना है. वो फ्यूचर है. That's definitely, that sparks your eyes. People who understand pink diamonds, yellow diamonds, green diamonds. I think that will be the future also.
Okay.
Because India is stepping towards luxury.
Okay.
इंडिया ने बुल्गरी कात्या टाइप की ज्वेलरी को बड़ा अच्छा एक्सेप्ट किया है. तो ओवर द बोर्ड द हायर रिचर इंडियंस दे लाइक वेयरिंग ऑल दैट. सो दे हैव ग्रोन अप, दे हैव इवॉल्व्ड.
So, lot of my friends वो क्या करते हैं, बुल्गारी की वेबसाइट जाते हैं, नेकलेस स्क्रीनशॉट लेते हैं और अपने ज्वेलर को बोलते हैं कि बना दो. What do you have to say to them?
So what will I say to them is, I know you liked it. I know एक brand value add होती है. But same copy कराने से अच्छा है, we are here, we designers are here for you. आप आओ. You tell us what you like. You like the snake in the Bulgari, या आपको कांचे की हर चीज कुछ typical element पसंद आ रहा है. We will redesign something. We will get inspired from it. We will understand your needs and we will design something special for you, which is yours, which is not even Cartier's, which is not even Bulgari's.
But-
And I think that holds value.
Yes, and that is that Bulgarian Cartier can be like, definitely if you can buy that, kudos to you. But you can get inspired from these kind of jewelries and make something which is so touchy to you, according to you, your likings, your favorite colors,
Yes.
your favorite type of diamonds, and make it look
Right.
according to you.
And I think you can versatile it in so many other ways.
Yes.
Take same cheese. And even while copying, you never get the same thing.
That's-
So it's better you get inspired
That is true.
and make something
That's
else
true.
out of it.
So speaking about Bulgari, nature-oriented jewelry, what is the potential in this year?
Nature inspired jewelry has always been in.
Okay.
In fact, my brand name Delano is an Italian word which means nature.
Oh.
So nature inspired तो हमेशा से in थे. From Maharajas, they used to wear animals.
Okay.
आज भी in है. The florals, the
What
Art
some,
Nouveau.
what some trends and types of like elephants and
Yeah.
plants, things like that.
So you know the animals आपने देखा होगा अभी अंबानीज की शादी में बड़े से बड़ा ब्रोच
Elephants over there.
elephants and you know panthers
Yes.
सब तरह के animals
A lot of flower oriented jewelry as well.
flower oriented Art Nouveau
Yes.
and petals.
Yes, petals.
It's beautiful. Snakes,
Okay.
owls, which animal is not working? I think कैसे क्रिएट कर रहे हो, कैसे इंस्पायर हो के नेचर से एक ज्वेलरी को डायमंड स्टडीड कन्वर्ट करके पहन रहे हो, दैट मैटर्स.
That's amazing. That's really amazing. Since Chitwan, you are a seasoned jewelry designer, what would you like to say to youngsters in the age of 20 to 25 who would want to become bespoke designer in the future and create these arts like you are?
अरे बड़ी ब्यूटीफुल इंडस्ट्री है. यू शुड कम एंड यू शुड स्टडी प्रोफेशनली. ऐसे काम करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. You know, you should learn designing, you should study. GIA is everywhere now. अब तो बॉम्बे में भी है बड़े सालों से. एक प्रोफेशनल कोर्स ऑफ नो हाउ ऑफ डायमंड्स, द कट, द क्लैरिटी, एवरीथिंग अबाउट डायमंड्स, जेमस्टोन्स, डिजाइनिंग
Okay.
करके आई थिंक you should do it. Everybody should, you know, get motivated to create something which imagine somebody else will pass on to their generations.
That's amazing.
I mean, I feel कि जो मैंने बनाया है वो आज 4 generations किसी और के परिवार में भी पास होगा.
That's true.
So I am in every family.
Making jewelry which is timeless forever
Yeah.
and ever.
So basically whenever I give a ring, it's not that मैं, you know, एक ring दे रही हूँ आपको. मैं आपके आगे generations तक जाऊंगी.
That's amazing.
So I have already entered your family forever. You know?
That's how you become part of multiple families.
Yes, and it's beautiful.
That's amazing.
Beautiful. So I think all the new generations do a professional course, learn sketching, learn designing, get innovative, and dream to build your own brand.
That's
It's
amazing.
beautiful.
Thanks a lot, Chitwan, for this amazing conversation. I feel a lot of designers are going to get inspired by you, especially a lot of girls. There are a lot of my friends who are studying designing and they're wanting to become designer. They ask me कि मैं शुरू कहाँ करूँ? तो just a small question again. जो लड़की as a girl is getting out from the designing school, where is the start pointing at?
Start is in working under somebody. I worked under somebody in Bombay for 2 years and I learned a lot. You have to train yourself. किसी के भी, you know, and you should be lucky to get a good boss. I'm always there, whoever wants any help. But get yourself trained. 2-3 साल समझो, रगड़ो, देखो. Jewelry is one of the most difficult things to sell,
That's true.
but one of the most beautiful things to sell.
Yes,
It has, you know, a different aura.
that's true. You're literally selling love. You're literally selling values.
And I think everybody's in clothes. Jewelry is rare. So you do a good training and then you can start building your brand slowly.
That's
It takes years and years. Patience, hard work, courage, and gold fluctuations. Hello. That's it.
वो तो हम सभी सह रहे हैं.
सहना पड़ेगा. That's the part.
Girls, you can send your CVs to Chitwan. She's gonna help you out.
Thank you. Sure. Always there to inspire everybody.
This was an amazing conversation to have someone with you, like you in panel. There are very few rare women out there being hustling out in the industry for such a long time and staying relevant for such a long time. Thank you so much for this conversation.
Thank you. Thank you.